Hello, everyone. This is Georgia Monroe, and we're going to talk about the paychecks and bank accounts for Unit 16. So, our repeated storyline. I need to handle my paychecks responsibly. Community integration. Students will practice skills learned throughout educational environment and during community-based experiences. Our key points. Bank help manage money, and budgets are important tools used to manage money. Wow. Okay. Steps of critical thinking. Number 1, we're going to listen to the question. Number 2, we're going to listen to the choices. And number 3, we're going to think about what you know. And number 4, you're going to make a choice. Okay, this is a prediction. There's no right or wrong question. Right or wrong answer to the question. It's just a prediction. What will our lesson be about? What do you think it's going to be about? Do you think it's going to be about a water bottle, a paycheck, rainforest? What do you think the lesson is going to be about? I'll let you have a few minutes to think. Water bottle, paychecks, or rainforest. Okay, so as you know, our repeated storyline is I need to handle my paychecks responsibly. The steps of synthesizing knowledge. Number 1, we're going to listen to the teacher. Number 2, we're going to listen to the whole lesson. Number 3, we're going to think about the information now. And number 4, we're going to think about the information later. Vocabulary words. These are our vocabulary words. Wages, deductions, net pay, bank account, checking account, savings account, and ATM machine. Employment, week 16, paychecks and bank accounts. Today we're going to talk about bank accounts, okay? As we just discussed, our vocabulary words wages, deduction, net pay, bank account, checking account, savings account, and ATM machine. Wages. What are wages? Wages are the amount of money earned for working before any deductions are made. Deductions. What are deductions? Deductions are the fees taken from your check, such as taxes, insurance, and Social Security, etc. And net pay. Net pay is the amount one receives after taxes and deductions have been withheld during a pay period. And that's saying that any money, as far as your money paid to Social Security, your tax, insurance, during that time period that you have gotten paid, Whatever is left is called your net pay. This is what goes into the bank account or what you receive as a paycheck for doing your work. This is an earnings statement. An earnings statement can be called also a check stub, and it have detailed information about who this check goes, who this money is paid to, how much they're being paid, and what is taken out of their account. It has all personal information as far as Social Security, employee ID, the check number, and for what time period that you have worked. According to this, it has James Robert. That's his name. Social Security number ends in 6565. And his employee ID number, in which the number that the employer uses to identify each individual, is 454545. And the check number is 259248. And the time period is from January 23rd to January 29th. And this day that he's getting paid on is January 31st, 2014. How much that person made in all before any taxes was $1,000. Then after taking out your deductions, which is the FICA, medical, and Social Security and federal tax and your state tax and your insurance. That is called deductions. Your net pay is $709.74. Repeated storyline. I need to handle my paychecks responsibly. Let's talk about the bank. What is a bank? A bank is an organization that manages your money. You go to the bank and you put your money in there, and they'll hold it for you and they'll save it for you until you can go back and you can get your money out. Or either you want to make a payment, write a check, and then they'll take that money out of your account. You can go there and to put in a deposit with money, deposit money, or you can take and withdraw money, take money out of the account. So a bank account helps you protect and manage your money. You can store your money in a bank account so you don't have to carry it around with you all the time. You can have two types of bank account, a checking account or a saving account. A checking account, a bank account that allows you to deposit and withdraw money and write checks. On a checking account, you have a checkbook. You have a checkbook, and you're gonna take and write your bills on a checkbook out of your checkbook. Which, if you take that one sheet and you write all this information down to whom this goes to into your checkbook, and then you tear that checkbook out, you send it to that person. The people actually send it back to the bank, and the bank take the money out, and their money is deposited into their account. Checking account. Many of these things you purchase will come from money in your account, your checking account. This is what a paycheck looks like. It has the name of who you're gonna pay it to, how much it is, what date it is, the amount in numerical form, the amount in alphabetical form, and what the check is for, and who's writing this check. They have to sign it. If it's not signed, it's not valid. You won't get your money. This is a blank check that you will use on a checking account, and this is how it will look once you get it, and then you fill into all the necessary areas to write the check and send it off to whoever it is that you need to send it to. Saving account. Saving means putting money, excuse me, putting money aside for future use. Savings account. This is a bank account that allows you to deposit or withdraw money for the purpose of saving. ATM machine. You can deposit money or receive money at an ATM machine using a debit card. Once you open an account, a checking account or a savings account, they'll give you a card, and the card will have your name on it and have a bunch of numbers. And you can take this card, you can put it into the machine, and if you whatever determines whether it determines on whether whatever money, how much the amount of money that you have in your account, that how much you can withdraw. So if you put $50 in there last week and today, okay, this is another week, I want to get $20 out. Put your card in there, you follow the necessary steps, and you'll get $20 out. Okay, in the next slide, this is what we're going to talk about, how you're going to do all this. You're going to walk up to the ATM machine. You're going to insert and remove your card. Then you're going to select the language that you speak, whether Spanish or English. Then you're going to enter your 4-digit PIN number. When you get your card, you're going to have a PIN number. You're the only one that's going to have this number. Once you put your PIN number into the machine, you're going to select withdrawal, because that's what you want to do, take some money out. Select to withdraw from your checking account. Select the amount of money. You're going to put in $20, $30, $10, however much you want to, whatever amount that you want to take out of your account, that's how much you put in to the machine so that they can disperse it to you. You wait for your cash to come. You take your cash and you take your receipt. Your receipt will have how much money you have left on it in your account, and it have how much you had just withdrawn from your account. And that's how you use the ATM machine. Repeat a storyline. I need to handle my paychecks responsible. Steps to critical problem solving. What is the problem? How do you know that is a problem? What do you need to solve this problem? Do you have all the information? Try and solve the problem. And if it's wrong, try again. Let's practice. Okay, first question. The amount you get paid after taxes are taken out of your paycheck is called, is it called direct deposit? Is it called deductions? Or is it called net pay? The amount of money that is taken out of your check to pay your taxes. Deductions, net pay, or direct deposit. If you chose deduction, you have chosen the correct answer. Next question. What do you call an organization that handles your money? Do you call it a park? Do you call it a bank? Do you call it post office? Yes, you would call it a bank. Lesson. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please be responsibly with your paycheck. And have a good day.